Alright, part 2, I accidentally cut it off. The heat is on, 20 bucks. Trick shot, 20 bucks. Let's walk around and see what else they got. Got Pahrump shells, 50 bucks. Haven't been down this aisle yet. Kickstart. Hoopla, 10 bucks. Nice. Look at that. Black Friday, 10 bucks. Cannot beat that. Some of these prices are ridiculous. 15 bucks? Are you serious? I might have to get one of these. Which one is this though? Excuse me. Hate to bother you. Which one's 15 bucks? The paparazzi or the sound doctoring? Or both?
I'm gonna say the sound doctrine is, because it's on top of sound doctrine.
Gotcha. Appreciate it. Sound doctrine, $15. Wow. I will grab one. Telling you people, if you are familiar with Red Apple, you need to get down here this weekend. It is imperative that you get here this weekend. These prices are crazy. Staff action going on over there. Let's see what else is going on around here. Dragon, 15 bucks. I saw this one. This cake is like all red. I'm gonna get one of these. West Coast Fireworks Dragon, 15 bucks. Copper Dome, 20 bucks. Let's see, we got the artillery shells, 50 bucks. This price is nice because they're usually like $1.70. These wide loads. What we got going on over here? We got the 350 gram cakes in this aisle. $200 gram cakes. Look at that amazing mini ballet. Costs more than the regular amazing ballet. That's why you need to get down here. And once I'm in this, well, shit, since I'm here, I might as well get some fuse since I'm in this aisle. But yeah, Black Friday, ladies and gentlemen. I would go into extensive detail, but I'm too busy shopping right now. Out. Get down here. Hurry up.